That's what is simpleness you understood. I request Kaunin Shadmani, she's the daughter of our founder, to introduce the man who has come from the bottom level of the society. Of course, that you will know him within seconds of time. She is Suresh Lal Garu.
Hello, good evening, very warm, respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Very good evening to one and all. It's my privilege to have a word regarding Professor B. Suresh Lal Garu. Mr. Suresh Lal, as a professor of economics of Kakatiya University, Warangal, hailing from a remote area of Papayapalli village in Govindarao Pet Mandal in the agency of area of Warangal district. Before he learned alphabets at the age of 12 years, he was a child labor in the commercial crops and also was a shepherd boy. At a tender age, he had done masters in the agricultural operations. Most of his childhood was spent in agricultural operations and in rearing buffaloes in the forest. Mr. Professor Suresh Lal Garu had appeared the examination of 10th class privately in the year 1984, and from then he never turned back to his past life. He had done double masters in the fields of economics and computer science and then proceeded with MPhil with the subject of tribal labor migration, and had done PhD in environmental economics from Kakatiya University of Warangal. Sir, Mr. Professor Suresh Lal at present is a researcher, teacher, writer, and eminent environmentalist, developmental activist, and also social scientist of India. He is connected with many NGOs of national and international, including the Nobel laureates. The result of his hard work and poverty is the present fruitful result of his career. The main focus of his research was for environmental health issues, tribal studies, and economics development. Sir, Mr. Suresh Lal Garu had written 110 articles and 20 edited books, which were published in various journals of the international repute, and had also completed 5 research projects. His popular writings were based on issues and challenges for economics of child labor and economics of child marriage, industrialization and environmental in the tribal world, and also the economics of sanitation with the contemporary of rural women study. The result of his writings were much correlated to his childhood. Sir, Mr. Professor Suresh Lal Garu had taught 10 PhD and 10 MPhil scholars were being guided by him. He had delivered 315 talks on various contemporary issues to the college students, and he is also a member of editorial board of 36 international journals. Mr. Lal had extensively visited 20 countries across the globe on the academic assignments and as a jury member for the Global Undergraduate Awards, which were held at Ireland. Mr. Professor Lal is a fellow of an International Academy of Social Sciences of USA and also International Society for Ecological Communication of Poland. Mr. Professor Lal was recently nominated as National Coordinator for India from the World Academy of Literature, History, Arts and Culture at Mexico. He is also a member for 20 international academic organizations like WHO, GEI, UNWTO, HEF, ISOC, IWA, INET and so on. Mr. Professor Suresh Lal Garu was a program coordinator of NSS, and in that period, he used to motivate and inspire and encourage students and would make them realize their true potential towards their future. He had organized and volunteered 596 blood donation camps and collected 65,129 units of blood, which was a world record. He had planted 8 lakh saplings with a caption of "Go Green and Grow Green." Mr. Lal had organized a novel charity programs, especially for the volunteers at the college level. That is to collect rice from the neighbors and to donate it to the orphans and also to the old age people. And that's named as Cup of Rice. He made 2,247 individual sanitary toilets for the poor families in the rural areas and had built toiletry beds in the government schools and colleges. At graduation and inter-college levels, he had established 300 Red Ribbon Clubs to create awareness regarding HIV. He had conducted 20 programs of skill development training session, especially for the girls, on the subject of beautician, mehendi designing, mushroom cultivation, and vermicompost for the entrepreneurship development. A biggest tribal festival in Asia named as Medaram Jatara, in which Mr. Lal had conducted 5 NSS mega special camps with the involvement of 500 volunteers in each of the camp to render the services to the divorce, and for that he got world record. Till date, Mr. Professor Suresh Lal Garu had received prestigious awards of 45 and citations from different categories as like Indira Gandhi National NSS Award, which was presented by Mr. President of India, Sri Pranab Mukherjee Garu. Recipient of the President's Lifetime Achievement Award, which was awarded by US President Mr. Barack Obama. Biographed in WHO in the world by Marquis Publications of USA. Also, Research Laureate Award for Economics and Outstanding Economist Award. He is a holder of unique world records and Everest World Records for his exemplary services for the community. Mr. Lal is a dreamer who has got some spark to do something to the society, and he had fulfilled his dream, which is a wonderful, fruitful result at the present. We are having a very honor to present you as a Mr. Shanti Doot, sir.
Thank you so much. Please, Suresh garu, cast the monkey. Oh, so funny, so wonderful, so cute, so sweet, really great. Shanti Kamaki. Very wonderful thing, because at the time of I observed different names actually. Food security. Food security is nothing but the PDS system, my friends. ఈ దేశంలో ఉన్న ప్రతి వాడికి భోజనం కావాలి అన్న చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ వచ్చిందే ఫుడ్ సెక్యూరిటీ, మై ఫ్రెండ్స్. అదే మీరు అంటున్న రేషన్ కార్డు ద్వారా మనం ఇచ్చే బియ్యం, all the things of course that comes in the food security. ఎందుకంటే 1943 లో ఈ దేశంలో 3.5 million, can I tell you the value of that? Because of starvation. అంటే ఆకలి చావులతో చచ్చిపోయిన వాళ్ళు ఈ దేశంలో 35 లక్షల మంది.
విజయాంతుడనైనా మీ పేరు చెప్పండి, ఎవరి వాళ్ళ పేరు చెప్పండి. అను నేను నేటి నుండి నా కులానికి, మతానికి, భాష, ప్రాంతాలు, వర్ణ వర్గాలకు అతీతంగా వ్యవహరిస్తానని దేశంతో పాటు ప్రపంచంలో మంచి మానవత్వాలకు, శాంతి సామరస్యాలకు పాటుపడతానని ప్రపంచ పౌరుడిగా ఎదిగి శాంతిదూత బిరుదును సార్థకం చేసుకుంటానని ఆత్మసాక్షిగా ప్రమాణం చేస్తున్నాను.
The esteemed chief guest, Justice Shalmesh Garu, the president of the program, Dr. Pasay Naveen Garu, the founder, Muhammad Sirajuddin Garu, నుండి జయరాజన్న, మల్లేశన్న, మిత్రుడు శ్రీనివాస్, గురువర్యులు ప్రొఫెసర్ రాధాకృష్ణ గారు, సుధా రాజశేఖర గారు, ఒక అన్ని విధాలుగా ముందుకు నడిపిస్తున్నటువంటి దేవేంద్ర రెడ్డి గారు, అలాగే హైదరాబాద్ నుండి చెప్పంగానే బయలుదేరి తీసుకొచ్చిన ప్రొఫెసర్ కాటా వెంకటరెడ్డి గారు, మిత్రులందరూ కూడా పేరు పేరున నమస్కారం తెలియజేస్తూ 2 విషయాలు మీతో షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. నేను ఈ శాంతిదూత అవార్డు సందర్భంగా లివ్ బై డిజైన్ నాట్ బై డిఫాల్ట్, శివఖేర మాటని బాగా నమ్ముతాను. బహుశా శివఖేర ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ పుస్తకాన్ని దాదాపుగా 1000 సార్లు పిల్లలు చెప్పుకుంటాను. దాంట్లో ఉన్న స్టోరీస్ అనేది యూ కెన్ విన్ పుస్తకాన్ని. తర్వాత వచ్చిన పుస్తకాల్లో ఉండేటటువంటి టైటిల్ కూడా బాగా నమ్ముతాను. లివ్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ నాట్ బై, లివ్ బై డిజైన్ నాట్ బై డిఫాల్ట్. నేను డిఫాల్ట్గా వచ్చినోడు కాదు, డిజైన్గా వచ్చినోడు. ఎందుకంటే చాలా పల్లెటూరు, మారుమూల గ్రామం, చదువు లేదు, సందే లేదు, జీవితం అంతా కూడా బాల్య కార్మికంగా గడిపి ఈరోజు యూనివర్సిటీలో అధ్యాపకునిగా నిలుస్తున్నటువంటి వ్యక్తి. సేమ్ టైం ఆర్ట్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ నేను నమ్మను, కానీ ఆర్ట్ ఆఫ్ గివింగ్ ని నమ్ముతాను. ఆర్ట్ ఆఫ్ గివింగ్ లోనే జీవితంలో సంతృప్తి ఉందని చెప్పేసి భావించి దాదాపుగా ఒక 30 years నుండి నాకు చేతనైనంత వరకు కమ్యూనిటీ సర్వీస్ చేసుకొని ఈరోజు మీ ముందు నిల్చున్నటువంటి వ్యక్తి నేను. కాబట్టి ఇంతమంది సమక్షంలో శాంతిదూత అవార్డుని తీసుకోవడం అనేది నిజంగా నా అదృష్టంగా భావిస్తున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి సభ్యులందరూ కూడా సవ్యంగా నేను నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ వారికి ప్రత్యేకమైన కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలిసి ముగిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thanks so much.